Hi guys, in this video I will teach how to use the insert command. So first we need to create a new table. Create table. Then I'm gonna name it subjects. Then open parenthesis. Then ID not null. Up ID is the variable name. Then int is the data type, not null, meaning it will not accept null values or empty value. Then identity 1 comma 1, meaning it is an auto number. The one here is the starting point and the one here is the increment. Then subject name, then varchar 40, then comma, then subject code varchar, then let's say 8. And there you go. Close the parentheses. Then let's press the execute button, and it was completed. So create table subjects, then ID int not null identity 1 comma 1, subject name varchar 40, comma, subject code varchar 8. So let's try to select it first. Select all from subjects. Then press the execute button. Oops. Select all from subject. Oops. Let's see what's the problem here. Subjects. Select all from subjects. Then press the F5 key, and there it is. ID, subject name, and subject code. So now we're gonna need to insert record in the table subjects. Let's type insert into, then subjects, database name, and then ID. I will not add the ID because it is auto-generated. So I'm going to include the subject name, comma, the subject code, then values are. So we need to insert value first in the subject name. Let's say English 101, then comma, the subject code is ENG 101. So close the parenthesis, then press the F5 key. 1 row is affected. It means that we already inserted the record in the table. So let's select it first. Then F5. There it is, ID number 1, English 101, subject code Eng 101. So this is another way of inserting a record in the table. So select insert into subjects. I will not going to add the subject name and the subject code because I'm gonna insert it right away into subjects, values, then the subject name English 102, comma, Eng 102. Then press the F5 key. 1 row affected. So let's select it again. Select all from subjects. Then press the F5 key again. There it is, ID number 2, English 102, English 102. Another way of inserting values in the table is like this. Just type insert into subjects, then subject name, comma, oops, subject name, then subject code, then select, then the value, English, let's say not English anymore, let's say math 101, comma, MTH 101, then union, select again, math 102, then comma, MTH 102, then union again, select, Filipino 101, comma, Phil 101, union again, then select, Filipino 102, comma, Filipino 102, then press the F5 key, and there it is, 4 rows affected. So let's try to select it. Select all from subjects, then highlight it, then press the execute button or the F5 key. There you go. English 101, English 102, Filipino 101, Filipino 102, Math 101, Math 102. See? It's sorted by the alphabet first. So, it is sorted in Filipino 102, Math 101, Math 102. Then, let's try to add another one. Insert into subjects, then values, then let's say society 101, then comma, SOC 101, then insert into value. This is another way of inserting records in table. Subjects, then enter, then values again. Let's say Filipino 103, comma, Phil 103, then press the F5 key. Oops, I already forgot this one. Then press the F5 key again. One row affected, and let's search it. Select all from subjects. So then press the F5 key, and there it is. Society became first because it's not sorted. So when you insert record by using the select and union, it will be sorted automatically by the alphabets. Then if you use the insert into subject and values, it will be inserted one by one. So that it is the insert command in MS SQL Server 2008. Thank you for watching.